I've always been involved in community service since I was a teenager. Right now I'm a 10-year breast cancer survivor, so I'm very active in cancer walks and things. And about 5 years ago I read an article about how Komen race was taking over all the cancer research money, and there was none left for prostate cancer in the state of Missouri, and that was the most underfunded cancer research. And so I got involved with 100 Black Men in their prostate cancer walk. And I've been involved with them for the last 4 years. The fact that you help someone survive, and that's the biggest payoff when you actually help someone. I'd like to thank the 100 Black Men of St. Louis for bestowing this award on me, because I totally didn't expect it. It is really an honor to know that my work was appreciated.